Throughout human history, there have always been schools of spiritual initiation, schools in which people go through a process of developing organs of non-physical perception within their subtle bodies, where they begin to be able to directly perceive and interact with these higher non-physical realities. These spiritual initiation schools are often referred to as the mystery schools because they make plain to the student what is a mystery to everyone else in the world. They teach the secrets of the spiritual world, and we should be aware that up until very recently in human history, these were always very closed, secret societies. What they taught was not taught to the public. Today you would go to a church or a mosque or a synagogue, and you would go to a service, and anyone could enter in for this. But in the ancient world, a mystery school was a place that was closed only for the initiates to enter into, and to go through a process of spiritual development that is sometimes described in terms of alchemy. Just as in alchemy, you take a base form or a base metal, apply to it heat, pressure, certain types of vibrational forces, and you transmute it into something different. So in the mystery schools, a person would enter in, and over a long process of time, they would actually transform to a higher state. They would transform into a spiritual initiate that had direct experience of higher worlds and could understand, work with, and navigate through these invisible realities. There are different mystery schools or schools of spiritual initiation all over the planet, and they will use sometimes different methods and actually structure the subtle bodies of their initiates in somewhat different ways in their process of initiation. One of the simplest and most common forms of differentiation between the two different schools is between the East and the West, with the Western schools being more modern, Eastern schools often more traditional. And there can also be a difference in the way that they emphasize certain aspects of consciousness and certain ways to work with the energy body. Some of the most famous of the Eastern traditions are the classical Vedic tradition in India, which has multiple streams, multiple outlets. And with that was also the generation of Buddhism, which became a worldwide religion, originally from India. And we also have the development of the Chinese tradition, particularly with the Taoist lineages, that these are very powerful traditions that have been around for a long period of time and today find expression all over the world. The Western traditions are things that we think of in terms of the Jewish Kabbalah, European Rosicrucianism, things of this kind. In its modern expression, it often takes on either Jewish, Islamic, or Christian denominations, although, of course, in ancient times, they often had aspects of mystery schools that were before any of those traditions. When we look at the Eastern and the Western schools, we can see that in both the East and the West, there are particular ways to develop both consciousness and energy. However, the forms of consciousness that are worked with can be different between the East and the West. Particularly in the East, there will often be more emphasis on developing receptive forms of meditation, and in the Western schools, often an emphasis on developing active forms of meditation. Although again, that's a generality and is not always the case. In working with energy, different schools will focus on different energy centers or channels of the body. Even in the Eastern tradition, there are differences between the focus on specific chakras in the Indian Himalayan tradition versus the focus on acupuncture points and meridians in the Taoist tradition. And in the West, there's the emphasis on certain types of organs and other energetic systems in the body. One of the fundamental concepts in the Western tradition is that of Hermeticism. So the Hermetic tradition comes out of Egypt, and the original teachings in the Hermetic text of Egypt have to do with things that are known to every spiritual seeker today. So these are axioms such as above, so below, and as within, so without. They are very much focused on the relationship, the connecting points between us as an individual and the greater cosmos outside of ourselves. It's often described in terms of the human being being the microcosm, and then we have the great macrocosm outside of us. And with the human being being the crown of creation, that we have within us every part of the greater structure of the macrocosm outside, but simply reduced in scale. Now this becomes a master key, particularly in the Western tradition, for different types of esoteric practices and initiation work, which is that we can begin to become conscious of different aspects of the macrocosm as they exist within us, particularly within certain energy centers of the body where those forces accumulate. And we can put our attention into those energy centers, begin to activate them, and begin to take on the powers, the forces of these microcosmic sources within the microcosm of the human being. One of the great challenges that we have today to understand the spiritual initiation practices of traditions outside of our modern Western European model is that they will often use images and concepts that are completely foreign to us. So we have to put ourselves within the shoes, within the mindset of the people in that culture. An example would be when people from the West and East today try to understand the ancient Egyptian mysteries. Sometimes it's said in some Western texts that the ancient Egyptians worshipped animals because they would show these gods or goddesses with animal heads. The first thing that should be clarified is that they did not refer to them as gods or goddesses in ancient Egypt. They used the term that when you translate the hieroglyphics into English appears as NTR, or the term netter. They called them netters because they are conscious forces of nature. They are the expressions of different powers coming from the One, coming from the original source. And so all the different animal heads are coming from the fact that they would perceive in the environment around them that certain animals carried certain powers, just like we say today that someone's as clever as a fox. They knew that there was a certain form of consciousness in a shamanic sense connected to the crocodile, or to the hippopotamus, or to the jackal. And so that divine force of consciousness and energy, that power, then became symbolized through that animal head on that body. For us, it seems very strange to look at something from the Egyptian mysteries and see perhaps a row of baboons holding a net in which they are catching fish on an Egyptian temple wall. What are they trying to convey there? Well, the baboons are understood as being like the priesthood. They are actually working through the divine impulse of connecting heaven and earth together. Because for the Egyptians, they would see that at the time of sunrise, the baboons would rise up on their hind legs and raise their arms and call out, the same way that at sunrise the priest in the temple would raise their arms in adoration and to receive the energy of the rays of the sun, and they would do the particular hekau sounds of power, their mantras that came every morning in the temple. So the animals all represented certain types of functions or powers. It's important to understand that the Egyptian mysteries were never betrayed. That's the term that's normally used. When we say the Egyptian mysteries were never betrayed, what we mean is that the inner knowledge and practices of the Egyptian temples were never made public. They were never given out to the Romans, etc., that invaded at a later time. So that interior mystery knowledge of Egypt we have to try to figure out from what's been left to us with their texts, hieroglyphs, etc. But some of the knowledge that we have today that actually became the foundation of the later schools of Western spiritual esotericism came from the Greeks who went to train in the Egyptian temples. So this is primarily what we think of today as the Pythagorean school. Pythagoras went to train in the Egyptian temples. But the actual writings that tell us about the Egyptian temple science, and actually about earlier stages of Earth evolution, come from the writings of Plato. Plato was an initiate in the Pythagorean tradition, and in his writings such as Timaeus, he gives particular dialogues in which he talks about Greeks who were initiated in Egypt, such as Solon, and what the Egyptian priest said to Solon that was later transmitted to Plato. This is our main source in the West today for some of this knowledge. And so, for example, today in modern culture, it's often thought that the idea of Atlantis as an earlier culture is some type of modern metaphysical creation, some type of fantasy. But actually, the term and concept of Atlantis comes from the writings of Plato, where he describes what the Egyptian priest taught to the Greeks that went to train in those schools. And they said this was the earlier civilization before the Great Flood wiped it out. And we've preserved much of that knowledge here. Also, to some degree, the Egyptian priests are in these dialogues of Plato mocking the Greeks. And they say, you Greeks are all like little children. There is no ancient knowledge among you. But at the same time, just like an adult may try to help and educate a child, they went to try to educate the Greeks. And so from these Greek dialogues, we then had the Pythagorean school develop, and we then had a movement into Europe of some of that Egyptian knowledge. The great Egyptian high culture that we associate with the Old and Middle Kingdom declined around the New Kingdom. The Romans came in, the high period of Egyptian civilization was over. But that knowledge went a few different directions. Some of it went into the Jewish Kabbalah, particularly with mysteries of time, and some of it went into the Greek Kabbalah, particularly with mysteries of space, that would later become the mysteries of sacred geometry and the Platonic solids. Later traditions in Europe then pulled upon that Greek knowledge to elaborate the entire Western tradition. For every tradition, we need to be aware of what the original perspective of the people in that culture was. We have to do what is referred to today in modern anthropology as go native. In modern anthropology, they say that the number one rule is never to go native, always see it from the outside. But that will never work in understanding anything esoteric. We can only understand it from the inside. We have to get into that state of shamanic awareness that the people of that culture had when they presented that image, when they made a description of what we think of as their mythology. That mythology usually holds embedded in it tremendously powerful secrets of their initiation practices through which they developed higher consciousness and developed their energy system to a much higher level.